Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing. No, this is not unboxing. I just share with you here in Copenhagen, Denmark. I'm working in IT company, and here they are providing some very nice Christmas gift. So I just unboxed the Christmas gift and which types of gift product they are providing me. I will share with you. So now let's start. The box is very fancy and very strong. And yeah, it's boom. They are providing one greeting, Royal Copenhagen, one memory. So they are providing one plates. It's very expensive. This one around 200 Danish krona, means 2000 INR. Gift number one. They are providing some of the chocolates. So I just like this white chocolate. The remaining dark chocolate I don't like. And look at this. Inside the box, again they're providing some different chocolates, special biscuits, again one pocket of biscuit, and they are providing 3 wine bottles. This one, two, and 3. And now box is empty. So this is my Christmas gift come from my IT company located on Copenhagen, Denmark. This is a specially Christmas gift come from organization. So this is a simple unboxing of Christmas gifts. If you really like this video, so hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.